India has a rich history of medical knowledge dating back thousands of years. From Ayurveda to Siddha, from yoga to naturopathy, Indian medical knowledge has been practiced and perfected over centuries. However, much of this knowledge has been suppressed or lost due to colonialism and other historical factors. In this YouTube video, we will explore the fascinating history of ancient India's suppressed medical knowledge, and its relevance today. Ayurveda, which means knowledge of life, is one of the oldest and most comprehensive medical systems in the world. It has been practiced in India for over 5,000 years and is based on the principles of balancing the body, mind, and spirit. Ayurveda includes herbal remedies, dietary guidelines, and lifestyle recommendations, and has been used to treat a wide range of health conditions. Siddha is another ancient medical system that originated in South India. It is believed to have been practiced for over 10,000 years and is based on the principles of balancing the 5 elements of the body: earth, water, fire, air, and ether. Siddha also includes herbal remedies, dietary guidelines, and meditation practices, and has been used to treat a wide range of health conditions, including chronic diseases and mental health issues. Yoga and naturopathy. Yoga and naturopathy are two other ancient Indian medical systems that are still practiced today. Yoga is a holistic system that includes physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation, and has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety and improving cardiovascular health. Naturopathy is a system of medicine that emphasizes natural remedies, such as herbs and supplements, and focuses on treating the whole person, rather than just the symptoms of a disease. Suppression of Indian medical knowledge. Despite the many benefits of Indian medical knowledge, much of it has been suppressed or lost over the centuries. During colonial rule, British officials banned traditional Indian medical practices and imposed Western medicine on the population. This led to a loss of knowledge and expertise in traditional Indian medicine, and many traditional remedies and practices were forgotten or abandoned. Relevance today. Today, there is a growing interest in traditional Indian medical knowledge, and many people are turning to Ayurveda, Siddha, yoga, and naturopathy as alternatives to Western medicine. There is also increasing scientific research being conducted on these medical systems, which is helping to validate their effectiveness and uncover new insights into their mechanisms of action. Ancient India's medical knowledge is a valuable part of the world's medical heritage, and its suppression is a tragic chapter in history. However, the growing interest in traditional Indian medicine today is a testament to its enduring relevance and effectiveness. By rediscovering and promoting this knowledge, we can not only improve our own health and well-being but also preserve an important part of our shared